History isn't just a collection of dates and names, it's a tapestry woven with the threads of innovation. It's shaped by ordinary people with extraordinary ideas, individuals who dared to challenge the status quo and envision a better tomorrow. These are the unsung heroes whose ingenuity has propelled humanity forward, one invention at a time. Consider the wheel, a seemingly simple invention, or the printing press, a revolutionary device that democratized knowledge and empowered the masses. And who could forget the first flight, a testament to human ambition and the relentless pursuit of the impossible? These groundbreaking breakthroughs weren't conceived in sterile corporate labs or grand institutions. They were born in humble places, often fueled by sheer determination, limited resources, and an unwavering belief in the power of innovation. Today, June 21st, 2025, we stand at the edge of another revolution. A pivotal moment in history where the potential for transformative change is within our grasp. This revolution centers around the magnetic pulse engine, or MPE. The MPE isn't the product of a massive corporation with endless resources and a profit-driven agenda. It's the brainchild of someone like you, an individual who dared to dream of a better future and believed that we could collectively achieve it. This isn't just about technological advancement, it's about breaking free from the shackles of dirty, unsustainable fuels and forging a path towards a smarter, cleaner, and more equitable way to live for all. Imagine a world where devastating storms or geopolitical conflicts can't hold your energy supply hostage, where access to reliable and affordable energy is recognized as a fundamental human right, not a privilege reserved for the few. The MPE represents the key to unlocking true energy independence, a once-in-a-century breakthrough that promises to reshape our world. It's about creating a future where communities can thrive, not just struggle to survive, empowering us to overcome any challenge that the world throws our way. The inventor behind this groundbreaking technology didn't have access to a billion-dollar lab or a team of highly paid researchers, just a clear vision, unwavering determination, and an abundance of grit. This story serves as a powerful reminder that you don't need immense wealth, prestigious titles, or institutional backing to make a profound difference in the world. All it takes is the courage and a relentless spirit to pursue your dreams, no matter how audacious they may seem. As we step boldly into this new age, let's embrace that spirit of innovation, collaboration, and unwavering hope. The future, brimming with possibilities, starts now. So what exactly is the magnetic pulse engine? It sounds complex, doesn't it? But the core concept is surprisingly straightforward. We're talking about a revolutionary approach to generating power, a departure from the traditional methods we've relied on for so long. Let's break it down piece by piece, so we can truly understand how this innovative engine works. We'll dismantle the mystery and reveal the elegant simplicity at its heart. Unlike conventional engines that rely on the combustion of fuel, a process that releases harmful emissions into our atmosphere, the MPE operates on a completely different principle. It cleverly uses magnets and copper coils, the fundamental building blocks of electromagnetism, meaning no petrol, no coal, and absolutely no gas are needed to power this device. It's a clean energy solution from the ground up. Instead, it harnesses the invisible yet powerful force of magnetism, the very same force that makes a compass needle reliably point north, guiding us across vast landscapes. The process begins with a small battery, which provides the initial energy to start a rotor spinning. This rotor is strategically loaded with magnets, carefully positioned to interact with other components. As the rotor gains momentum and spins past a series of stationary copper coils, something remarkable happens. This spinning motion induces an electrical current within the coils, effectively generating electricity from the movement of magnets. Now here's where the ingenuity really shines. Some of that electricity, the very energy that's been created, loops back into the system, giving the rotor a carefully calibrated magnetic kick, providing the necessary force to keep it spinning continuously. It's a beautifully self-sustaining and remarkably efficient cycle, a closed-loop system that minimizes energy waste. And because there's no combustion involved, there are no explosions, no noxious fumes polluting the air, just pure, clean energy, ready to be harnessed for a variety of applications. The MPE is designed to run cool, preventing overheating and ensuring longevity, and it operates with a remarkable level of quietness. You'll barely notice it's there, producing only a faint hum as it generates power. Its true beauty lies in its inherent simplicity, a testament to elegant engineering. Just magnets and copper wire, carefully assembled with ingenuity to create a powerful and sustainable energy source. The design is so accessible that anyone can learn to build it, easily repair it if needed, and fully understand the principles behind its operation. This isn't some far-fetched concept from a science fiction novel. It's a real, working technology, an accessible innovation that has the potential to change the way we think about and use energy. The MPE empowers you to take control of your energy needs, allowing you to generate your own power virtually anywhere you go. In a world of increasing uncertainty, it's the ultimate survival tool, providing a reliable source of power when you need it most. The future of energy is not some distant dream. It's here, it's accessible, and it's in your hands. The MPE's true power lies not just in its efficiency, but in its remarkable scalability. It's designed to adapt to a wide range of energy needs, from the smallest personal devices to powering entire communities. This adaptability is what sets it apart and makes it a truly revolutionary technology. Imagine a portable unit, the size of a water bottle, easily carried in your backpack or stowed in your car. This compact powerhouse is capable of powering your gear anywhere. No more dead batteries on a hiking trip or waiting for the sun to charge your devices. It offers reliable, on-demand energy wherever you go, freeing you from the constraints of traditional power sources. For first responders in emergency situations or campers venturing into the wilderness, it's more than just a convenience, it's a lifeline, providing critical power for essential equipment and communication. At home, envision a larger MPE system, working silently and efficiently to power your entire house, eliminating those hefty electricity bills and providing uninterrupted power, even during blackouts. It's about providing security and resilience for your family, ensuring comfort and safety regardless of external circumstances. Now, scale up even further. Imagine a village MPE, a community-sized power solution that powers schools, providing access to education and opportunity, clinics, enabling access to essential healthcare services, and homes, bringing light and comfort to families. This transforms remote communities, empowering them to thrive and grow. It brings light to dark corners, clean water, essential for health and sanitation, and vital connection to the outside world, ultimately lifting people out of poverty and creating opportunities for a better future. Stronger, self-sufficient communities are built from the ground up, brick by brick, powered by sustainable energy. On a city scale, the potential is even more profound. Imagine massive MPE stations strategically placed to replace polluting power plants, reducing emissions and improving air quality. Clean, silent energy would flow seamlessly to skyscrapers, subways, keeping transportation systems running smoothly, and factories, driving economic growth and innovation. The air clears, the skies become brighter, and cities become healthier, more vibrant places to live. From handheld devices that keep us connected, to urban jungles teeming with life and activity, the MPE has the potential to power it all, sustainably and efficiently. This is the vision we strive for, a world energized by the limitless power of magnetism, a world free from the constraints of fossil fuels. The MPE is not just a technology, it's the tool we need to build that world, a world powered by clean, sustainable energy for generations to come. The revolution starts small, with a single device, but its impact is limitless, promising a brighter, more sustainable future for all. The MPE will reshape every part of our lives, starting with transportation. Cars, ships, and trains powered by MPEs will never need refueling. Range is limitless. The roar of engines will be replaced by a whisper. In space, MPEs will power faster missions, permanent lunar bases, and deep space probes. Back on Earth, farmers will use MPEs to irrigate land and boost food security. Vertical farms in cities will thrive, bringing fresh food closer to home. Our digital world, phones, data centers, will run on abundant clean energy. The MPE isn't just an energy revolution, it's a human revolution. Our potential is about to be unleashed. The MPE doesn't just create new power, it disrupts the old. For a century, fossil fuels built empires and shaped global politics. The MPE threatens to make those empires obsolete overnight. Oil, gas, and coal will lose their value. Economies built on them will face upheaval. Political power will shift as energy becomes local and abundant. The transition will be chaotic, jobs lost, industries transformed. We must help workers adapt and build a new, resilient economy. Survival means embracing change, not clinging to the past. The old world order will fall, and a sustainable future will rise. The courage to adapt is our greatest tool. The MPE decentralizes power, bringing it directly to homes, farms, and factories. No more vulnerable grids. Energy becomes local and resilient. Global influence will shift to nations that innovate and manufacture MPEs. Developing countries can leapfrog fossil fuels, building economies on clean local energy. This unlocks human potential, powering schools, hospitals, and industries. The cost of energy drops, sparking productivity and innovation. Manufacturing, transport, and food become cheaper and more abundant. It's not just about saving money. It's about creating a world of abundance. The MPE is the ultimate tool for survival and growth. A new era of opportunity begins. This future won't come easily. The old guard will fight back. Fossil fuel empires will use money and power to resist change. They'll spread doubt, ridicule, and misinformation about the MPE. Laws and patents may be used to block progress, but ideas can't be contained. Every attempt to suppress the MPE will inspire more inventors. This is a grassroots revolution powered by human ingenuity. The genie is out of the bottle, knowledge is spreading. The drive to build a better world is unstoppable. The future belongs to the bold. Picture a world powered by the MPE, clean air, blue skies, and healthy children. Smog and pollution are gone. Energy anxiety is history. Hospitals, schools, and homes have reliable power. No more blackouts. Energy poverty is eradicated. Every village thrives. Our relationship with the planet is healed. No more drilling, mining, or greenhouse gases. The Earth recovers. Ecosystems are restored. With abundant energy, we tackle other challenges. Cleaning oceans, reforesting lands, building sustainable cities. Humanity becomes more connected, equitable, and hopeful. The MPE makes this future possible. We don't just survive, we thrive. It's a future worth fighting for. This story ends with you. The MPE is a symbol of what's possible when ordinary people dare to dream. Change starts in your garage, your workshop, your mind. You don't need to be an engineer, just curious and determined. Build an MPE for your community, share the story, teach others. Every movement needs many hands and hearts. Find your passion and start building the future you want. There will be setbacks, but resilience is key. Every great inventor faced doubt. What mattered was getting back up. The future is built by those who act. The MPE has shown us the way. Now the power is in your hands. Go build.